What are you making, Logan?
Egg.
Egg.
Dirty.
It's dirty. It's okay. I'll fix it. What are you making?
Look.
That's okay. Can you throw that little bowl in? Do you see the little bowl? Dump that in the big bowl. Good job. Yeah.
Egg.
Egg. Do you want Mommy to crack the egg for you? Okay. Can you pour in the milk? Can you pour in the milk, Logan? Logan. There you go. There's the egg.
More.
Get the milk and pour that in. Careful. Pour it in. Yeah, you can stir it.
Milk.
Yeah. Can you get the pouch and squeeze it in?
Pouch.
Go ahead.
Pouch.
Yep, squeeze that in. Good job. Now stir it all up. Stir, stir. What are you making?
Pouch.
Well, that's a pouch. What are you making? Are you making pancakes? Okay. Can you say pancakes?
Egg.
Yeah. Good job.